Hey everyone, just a quick rundown on these major seventh chords before we get started today. So you are going to find the triad first, then we're going to find the root on bottom, that's just whatever your bottom note is, find that up the octave and then pull that down a half step, and that is going to give you your major seventh chord. So here we go, starting with C major 7. As we go through here, again, we're going to be referencing the fifth of your current chord, and that's going to take us through the circle of fifths. Okay, so here would come E. If it's a little easier to see that as your third note up that you're playing, that will also get you the same answer. Okay, so here would be D flat, either seeing it as the third note up or the fifth of the chord. Here's E flat, 2 more, we got B flat coming next, and last one to F. Awesome. We're just going to take all of that again, speed that up a little bit. So back to C, and here we go. Now, if you haven't gone through your major triads yet, I highly recommend just pausing here and hitting those major triads first. You might be a little lost right now. Okay, so we have a great video on that. You can take yourself all the way through, find those major triads first, and then head back here and add that seventh on. Here we go, last 2 up to B flat and down to F. Fantastic, awesome, last time through. Here we go, back to C. Again, we do want to alternate, I'm sure you realized this by now, but we do want to alternate up and down as we're playing these chords. If we don't, again, we just run out of keys. And if you see me going up and you're going down, that's totally fine, just as long as we're centralized in the middle of the piano. Here we go, last one. And you've completed the circle another 3 times. Fantastic work.